Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just doing some car camping. Very easy and relaxed camping today. No hiking or anything like that, and definitely no snow and rain today. The forecast is showing that it's going to be very bright and sunny and very warm today. We're looking at probably around 15 Celsius later this afternoon. And even at nighttime, it's just going down to like 10 or 9 Celsius. So very warm day today. We're coming into an end of our winter season, and it's getting very warm now. Most of the snow has melted. There isn't any snow here on this part of the mountain, but we're right here on this beautiful, very loud river. Sarang just sitting right in front of me, enjoying the sunshine. But the downside is there's a lot of bugs and flies here. That's the first thing, or one of the first things I noticed when we got here. We're swarmed with bugs and mosquitoes around here right now. But it's a beautiful day, very nice spot here. This is our first time camping on this spot. I was just driving around this mountain and was looking for a spot to camp and just kind of do some car camping tonight. We're gonna be sleeping in the car tonight, but I brought a big tent with us as well, just to kind of get a shelter and kind of get cozy up and relax during the nighttime. But we'll be sleeping inside the car tonight. Very nice and cozy, very relaxed today. Nothing too crazy. And I brought some firewood with us tonight too, so I won't be doing any gathering of firewood, so that saves a lot of time and energy. It's gonna really relax today. But I hope you guys can hear me all right, because it is very loud. The river here is very loud, so I'm kind of speaking very loudly right now, but I think we should be okay. Sarang just exploring and playing around here. Alright, let's set up a tent. I mean, there's not much to set up, but I brought a big tent with us. So we're just gonna set that up and kind of get everything situated. Alright, the tent we're using today is the Nature Hikes Dunes, was it 10.9 I think? I think that's what they call, but this is the last point of the setup here, and I don't know why, for some reason this point is just so hard. It made it so difficult to put this last point in. I don't know why it's just so hard. Yeah, I gotta use all my strength to get this point in. our tent setup is all done. Got this this big awning out, fully set up. This is actually my first time setting up this awning. This awning is built into the tent. It's very big, so it's pretty cool. Never seen any tent that's like this before. So it's really nice, especially on a rainy day or a snowy day. Yeah, it's really nice. Perfect for our car camping trip when it's downpour raining. Got nice cover for the car and massive tent. It's also a we can put a wood stove inside the tent to make it a hot tent, but I'm not gonna do that today. It's just it's really warm today. Every once in a while we get this nice breeze of wind that pass through. Super nice. It's really warm. So beautiful day. Nice change of environment for sure from all the snowy and rainy camping. But temperature today is really warm, just today and tomorrow, but it will drop again in the next couple weeks down to the negative. So I'm just gonna enjoy this beautiful day, take advantage of this beautiful day, and take it easy, car camping by this beautiful river. Very loud, but super nice right now. Nice little breeze that just passed through. Very nice. But anyways, I think we're the tent is mostly done. I'm just gonna go ahead and open all the doors. We have plenty of doors to this room. I'm just gonna make it very open because it's so warm, and yeah, it's really nice right now. So I'm just gonna open all the doors. Got some nice dinner tonight. I'm gonna cook some dinner on the campfire tonight. It's gonna be nice and delicious dinner, nice, relaxed, a lot of snacks, a lot of treats. So I'm very excited for tonight. Alright guys, our setup's done. Got plenty of stuff, plenty of gear tonight. I want to make it nice and cozy tonight, hanging outside by the fire. And well, we don't have a wood stove tonight, so we're gonna rely on the campfire to keep us nice, warm, and cozy before we head inside the car and call it a night. But we're gonna be spending the majority of the day out here, relaxing, enjoy this beautiful sunshine. The both of us been relaxing here, just chilling for the last 10-15 minutes now. It's just so nice out here. Such a big change of environment compared to the last few months. That's just a sign that spring is pretty near. It's coming pretty soon, and winter has come to an end. But who knows, there might be snow coming in the next couple of weeks, so I wouldn't be surprised. But anyways, I think we're just gonna hang around here for a bit longer, and then I think it's gonna enjoy some snack. Got Sarang some treat, give her some treat, and then I'm just gonna probably get a cup of tea and some snack. I'm just gonna relax for a bit. Then we'll start a fire. Looks like the bugs are slowly disappearing. I think just because it's getting later in the day, so the bugs are slowly disappearing. But I want to get a fire going as soon as we can to get rid of all these bugs. So let's go ahead and get some snack and just gonna hang around, take it easy, enjoy the day. So I believe this is some kind of black tea. I'm not sure what they call, but it's pretty cool. It's just wrapped in that aluminum wrap, and it's like a little ball. And when hot water is poured in it, it just open up and become a nice little black tea. It's nice. Got some treat here for Sarang too. This is some kind of dental treat, good for her teeth, and she loves it. Okay, just gonna give this to her, and then just gonna enjoy my tea and some snack here. Enjoy this beautiful day, and then we'll get a fire going and cook up some nice dinner right on the fire. Okay. starting to rain. I did not expect this at all. I'm very surprised because the forecast is showing to be all sunny today. Sunny, warm, and clear sky, but it's starting to rain. I guess on the mountain, weather changes rapidly, so it's crazy. It's starting to rain. I did not expect this at all, but we are prepared for the rain. If it does rain pretty hard, got a nice tent set up for us, and we're close to the fire as well. And speaking of fire, I'm gonna go ahead and get this fire started so we get some charcoal and start cooking our dinner. Alright guys, the sun is setting and it's gonna get dark in about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours now. It's still pretty early in the evening, but the sun is setting pretty soon. So, and the fire is going really well, and we got a lot of charcoal there ready to get our dinner started. We got some meat I want to grill off. I think it's like some Korean marinated beef. I want to grill that off with some pork belly, kind of like a Korean style. And I brought some kimchi as well for myself. And Sarang, I got her a piece of salmon. I was gonna grill that on the fire first with just nothing, just plain. And I'm just gonna mix that in with her dry kibbles. And we call that for dinner. I also have a couple yams, gonna throw it on the fire, and we can enjoy that later tonight. Alright, check this out. This is Sarang's dinner. This is a piece of wild sockeye salmon. I got this skin for her as well. I'm just gonna leave a skin on for her. And that beautiful piece of salmon right on the fire. It's gonna cool it down first before we give it to her. Check out that pork belly. So good. It's right in the fire. All I have is just salt and pepper on it. That's it. All right, dinner is ready. I am excited to get this started. I'm hungry, but this looks really good, amazing. The beef grilled right on the campfire. Oh, perfect. Same thing with the pork and the rice here. Amazing. Also have a side of kimchi, and I don't know what this is. It's a random drink I found in the market. It looks pretty cool. I think it's a Japanese, some kind of Japanese drink. It's a white peach flavor. I don't know what all this writing is, but it looks like Japanese or Korean. I don't know. Yeah, from Japan. So the Japanese drink. And yeah, and Sarang's already had her dinner. She had a nice piece of salmon with some dry kibble. It's a wild sockeye salmon. Grilled that right on the fire. Give her with the skin and the meat as well. So she ate it all really well. But yeah, gonna go ahead and get my dinner started. Temperature is dropping. Right now it's 11 Celsius. Still pretty warm. And but I'm sure it'll get colder later tonight. It's not gonna be too crazy cold tonight. Just finished our dinner and all cleaned up. It's gonna, this fire is going really well, and we got plenty of wood here. I got a stack of wood right on the fire right now. Big logs too. So this will keep it going for a while. We're just gonna sit here for a little bit, enjoy the night, enjoy the fire, and then we'll head into the car, settle in there, and get ready to go sleep. But right now we're just hanging around here by the fire. Temperature has dropped quite a bit. It's a bit colder now than it was this afternoon. This afternoon we were around like 21 Celsius with the sun being out. Right now we're at around 9 Celsius. So it is a lot colder now, but it's not too cold. Beautiful night. See quite a few stars already, but it's completely dark. We're in the middle of the forest. No one's around, just us. You can't see anything but a couple trees that are closer to us. But other than that, it's just completely dark, and all I can hear is just the sound of the river, nothing else, and the crackling of the fire. Almost felt like it's summer again, but it is colder at night. We're getting close to the springtime and summer. Can't believe winter just gone like that so fast this year, it seems. But I think there might be another whole week coming up. See how the weather's gonna be. Maybe we see some snow, but we'll see. Right now, I'm just really enjoying the weather we're having right now. Beautiful. Sarang's already inside the car. I'm gonna head inside pretty soon as well. Just gonna sit here and enjoy the fire for a bit longer, and then I'll head inside. Alright guys, we're inside the car. Just about ready to head to bed now. Just finished a long movie and it's getting late now, so it's gonna head to bed. But it's a beautiful night, a lot of stars out, but it's time to head to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Alright guys, good morning. Beautiful morning. We woke up around 7 a.m. kind of late. But it's such a good sleep in the car. Nice, warm and cozy. And I didn't have to worry about waking up every couple hours to stoke the fire, keep us warm. So it's really nice. Got up a bit later than we usually does. And woke up. Checked the fire, it was out, but there was still amber on the big log. So just gotta give it some air, and the fire just come back to life. It's like the phoenix born from the ashes. So really warm right now with the fire. Woke up this morning, came outside, it was very chilly. So loving this fire right now, very warm. Got plenty of wood to get this fire going till we get back, till we start packing up and get out of here. So right now I have a couple yam here, just cooking that off on the fire, and that'll be for my breakfast and Sarang. Also have some kibble, mixed it with some of her dry kibble and with some sweet potato yam. So I brought the coffee machine today to make some coffee, or the coffee grinder that I always use, but I just realized that I forgot to bring the coffee beans. I was gonna do some coffee this morning, but didn't bring the coffee beans. I'm just gonna skip coffee till we get home, and just gonna have a couple yam, then gonna enjoy the morning, and then we're just gonna pack up and get out of here. Very calm morning, but the river is still very loud. Got our yam here, it's all done. Nice and charred. It's all black on the outside, but should be very good on the inside. And Sarang can smell it already. Sarang, hey, no, back. Sarang, back. Back. Here, okay? Alright, just gonna give one yam to Sarang, mixed with her dry kibble, and then one for myself. Then that's it for breakfast for now. And we'll pack up and get out of here. Alright guys, breakfast is done. Got a nice little walk down by the river as well. Looks like the sun is starting to come out. Blue sky, some clouds. I think that's it. Gonna start wrapping the trip here guys. It's been a really fun and relaxing trip. It's been a while since we have done car camping, and it's really nice to be able to do car camping again in this forest. It's a beautiful spot here. Found this spot by accident, so it's really nice. Just driving around this forest road and found this beautiful spot here. We can just pull right over. A little concerned going back, getting out of here later though, but as long as I take it slow, the car should be okay. Getting up this ramp here, a lot of bumpy rocks, but I think we should be okay getting off later. Anyways, just gonna wrap up the trip here guys. It's been a great one, and thanks you for coming along with us on this trip and supporting our channel. Until then guys, I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Take care.